One dead and 41 injured in a suspected gas explosion in South Africa that occurred on July 19th. You can see the suspected underground gas explosion reeked of open roads and flipped vehicles. It happened in the heart of South Africa's biggest city, killing one man and injuring at least 41 people. The cause of the blast, which happened during Wednesday evening rush hour in downtown, remains unclear. An investigation is underway as city authorities brought in specialists to determine whether underground pipes or cables were in the area and if there was a threat of another explosion or gas leak. Look how the panic was there at the time of incident.